Hello dear friends, I am Violetta from Crafting with Vieux. Odysseus Journey, Part 7. Round 61. Welcome to the last part of the video tutorial. So the last 5 rounds. Let's join yarn color A. And we're going to start with a single crochet into the first single crochet of this group of 2 singles into the same stitch. Then chain stitch. And then 52 single crochets. So these single crochets all the way until the next corner, and then you're going to repeat this pattern: single crochet, chain, 52 single crochets, and like this all the way around this round. It's a very easy round. So I'm going to pause this video. Actually, you are going to pause this video, finish this round, and I'll see you again in round 62. Round 62. Please join yarn. I'm joining yarn color B because this pattern section is the same like this one. So joining yarn color B. Oops. Make a chain stitch, and we will start with 2 single crochet stitches into the chain stitch right here between these 2 singles. So now I'm going to work over this yarn. So 2 single crochets in chain stitch, and then 53 single crochets all the way until the next chain stitch. Then you're going to work 2 single crochets into the chain stitch, and then 53 single crochets, and like this all the way around this round. And you're going to close this round by joining into the first single crochet at the beginning of this round. So now please pause this video, finish this round, and I'll see you back in round 63. Round 63, and the first stitch is going to be a single crochet into the first single crochet of the previous round. Then work single crochet, and then 55 single crochets all the way until this corner. And once you've made 55 single crochets, work a chain stitch, and then 55 single crochets again, then a chain, then 55 single crochets, and in your last repeat you're going to work 54 single crochets, and then join with invisible stitch into the first single crochet of this round. So now please pause this video, and I'll see you back in round 64. Round 64. Please join your background color. For me is yarn color B, and we will start with 2 single crochet stitches into the chain stitch, which is right here. So 2 single crochets in chain, and then we're going to work 27 DS groups, which are double crochet, single crochet. So double crochet, single crochet 27 times. Double crochet, which is worked into the second single crochet 2 rounds below, and then single crochet, then double, then single, and like this double singles 27 times. Now the last DS group and the last stitch in this on this side is a double crochet, and then you're going to start the next side with 2 single crochet stitches into the chain stitch, then double crochet into the next single crochet 2 rounds below, then single crochet. So like this 27 DS groups, and the last stitch a double crochet. Now please pause this video, finish this round, and I'll see you back in the last round, round number 65. Round 65, the last round of our journey. So now join yarn color A,
And we will start with the single crochet into the first stitch of the previous round, then a chain stitch, and then single crochets all the way until the next group of 2 single crochets. And once you've done the single crochet into this first single crochet, make a chain stitch and continue working single crochets all the way until the next corner, and like this all the way around this round. So this last round is done, and we're going to close it with the invisible join stitch. We're going to cut the yarn, pull it out of this loop, and use a tapestry needle. To close this round, we're going to insert the hook right under these 2 loops of the first single crochet at the beginning of this round. Pull the yarn through, and then back into the last single crochet that you made, like this. Then tighten, and now your edge is perfectly done. Now if you're going to add more rounds to it, you can still work into each of these stitches. So we're going to secure it with a knot, and then weave the edge in to the back of the stitches. Like this, as well as all the other yarn ends that you have in the back. Like this. Because I used several yarns for the background color, you see I have these yarn tails. I'm gonna weave them all in, and ta-da! My ODYSSEUS Journey mandala is done. And I'm really happy that you're watching this video tutorial, that you're still watching it. It means that you're actually making this mandala or rug or blanket, whatever you want to call it. Please share your pictures in our Facebook group or on Instagram. When you post your pictures on Instagram, please tag my name so I can see what you've made. Also, please like this video tutorial and also subscribe to my channel. Join my Facebook group, and happy crocheting!